Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to check credit score in Lloyds app. Start by unlocking your phone and opening the Lloyds Bank app. Once you are inside the app, look at the screen. You will see several menu options. Find and tap on the tab labeled Borrow or Borrowing. This section is where Lloyds places tools related to loans, overdrafts, and your credit profile. After opening the borrowing section, scan the screen for an option that says Your Credit Score. It may appear as a card or a simple menu item. Tap on it to continue. If this is your first time accessing your credit score, the app will guide you through a quick registration process. You will need to confirm some personal details. This usually includes your full name, your date of birth, and your address history. Make sure all information is accurate, as it helps match your identity with your credit file. Once registration is complete, the app will load your results. You will be able to see your TransUnion credit score along with a detailed credit report. Take time to review the information, including any accounts, payment history, and factors affecting your score. You can return to this section anytime to check for updates or track changes in your credit score over time. Thanks for watching.